How to turn off automatic answer on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down and go to Call Audio Routing. Call audio routing determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. Over here, go to Auto Answer Calls. And then, turn off the Auto Answer Calls feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off automatic answer on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.